In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to add videos to your Wix website. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business site, or an online portfolio, video elements can significantly enhance the user experience and engagement. So let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to integrate videos seamlessly into your Wix website. First, go to your browser and visit manage.wix.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's setup page. This is where you can manage all your site's elements and access various tools needed to build and optimize your website. It's a great idea to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it's the control center for all things related to your Wix site management. Next, you'll want to head over to editor.wix.com. This is where the magic happens in terms of designing and customizing your website. Once there, locate the Add or Add Elements option. This is typically found in the left sidebar of the editor. This section is crucial as it allows you to add various types of content and media to your site, creating a dynamic and engaging visitor experience. After opening the Add Elements menu, look for the Video option and select Video Upload. This choice is ideal for those who want to showcase custom videos that are not available via links or online platforms. Now, it's time to upload your video. Click on Change Video to swap out the current placeholder with your video file. This step is vital as it ensures that the correct video is displayed on your website. Once your video is uploaded successfully, you can make any necessary adjustments. If you wish to replace the video, click Change Video once again and select another file from your computer. This flexibility allows you to keep your content fresh and updated whenever needed. Once you're satisfied with the video and its placement, click Add to Page. This action places the video onto your chosen page, seamlessly integrating it into your site's design. Make sure to position it where it best complements your existing content. You can move and resize the video as needed to ensure it fits perfectly within your site's layout. After placing the video, click the X to close the video menu. This step prevents any accidental changes and ensures that your edits remain intact. Finally, remember to save your changes by clicking Save at the top of the Wix editor. Saving regularly ensures that your hard work isn't lost and that all updates are live on your site. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to enhancing your Wix website with video content. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an engaging, multimedia-rich site that captivates visitors and keeps them coming back. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website.